Hello everyone, I am Shankar Rajput. Today's topic name is the technical topic, the array list in Java. Today we will be explore one of the most visible and frequently used data structure in Java. The array list this the distributed will the covered in the basis of array list is the operators, the advantage and the common use case. By by the end of this the session, the you have the solid understanding for how to effectively use the array list in the your Java program. The introduction of the array list. What is the array list? In the array list is the part of the Java collection framework, and it and is the recognizable the array implementation of the list the interface. Unlike the array which have the fixed size, array list can then dynamically grow and sneak as the elements as the add or the remove. The key characterizes the reusable, the automatically urgent, the size, allow the random access to the elements the using in index, uh, orders, the mention of the orders of the insertization, the basic operation, the creating in array list, Java, the public class, the array list example, the public static void means string argument, the creating in the array list of the string, array list the string, list new new array list. The second point is the addition addition elements. Uh, can add the element to the array list using the add method. The list one Java, list list add the Python, list add the JavaScript, according element. Next point is the according element. Element can be the accessible using the get of the methods with the zero, with the extending the string the first element, list one zero Java. Next point is the removing elements. Remove elements by the index or the by objects. The example is the first example is the list remove one, remove Pythons. The list remove JavaScript, remove JavaScript, and undepending the element, and the update element using the set methods. The next point is the next list set 0 C++, the change the first element to the C++. Next point is the size and the clearing. uh, uh, the size of the array list and the clear all elements. Example is int size, list size, number of the elements, list one clears all elements. Advantage features, uh, iterating on over the array list. The array list using the variable the methods for loop. Next uh, example is the for int I is equal to I is equal to 0, I less than list size I plus plus, system out printle the list get I, uh, for loop. The mm, next example is the string item list system out the printer the items iterator. The next example is the iterator the list in the while the as next system out printer. Thank you for this listening.